Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're gonna play a bit in Replo. When it comes to e-commerce brands, reviews, social proof is such a big thing. We have this section here. Let's say you have the reviews here, but actually studies have shown that it can convert better if you put the reviews closer to the CTA. Let's say you have this template or this hero section and you wanna just add to it. I'm gonna show you how we can add more reviews. So we're gonna click into here, this area, and we're gonna go here, sections, new Shopify, no, go components, review. You get a lot of different types, and what we want is just basic stars. So I'm gonna drag it in just right under there, okay? Now we're gonna also want text. Put the text right there, side by side. Now for this text, let's say, just like that, let's say trusted by, let's say 56 trusted reviews. And for here, you want there to be a little space, so we're gonna add a gap. Let's try 8. Yeah, 8 pixels is fine. Now for the stars itself, you want to design up the stars. So we go to config, color, usually gold, or if you have a specific brand color you want to do, like that. Now this is interesting. Let's say 5 stars, everyone give you 5-star rating, or let's say you want to take the average. So you can do, let's say 4.5, because if it's all 5 stars, it could sometimes look a bit too gimmicky. So you want to do, let's say 4.5. So you adjust that and it'll change. Let's say, who knows? Let's say you want 6 stars, 6. Okay, now you see it's 4.5 out of 6. Let's say you want to give yourself a bad rating, 3 stars. I don't know. So let's keep it at 5. 5 is usually the gold standard. And let's say 4. What happens if 4.2? See, it's still 4.5. It rounds up. Yeah. This is it, how you would do it. If you want to add the reviews right under the CTA, very simple, quick tutorial. Pretty much when it comes to containers, Replo is super nice and easy. You literally just go to components, drag and drop. You want to add another image here, add there. Move it around into there, change up the spacing. You want to have it like that. Very simple, move things around. I love Replo. Any more questions, ask me. I've been getting a lot about this specific question, how to add reviews by the CTA, so I wanted to do this specific. Anyway guys, have a great day. Post in the comments what else you'd like to see.